Hey guys, it's your Lucky Maker TKG. Welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm sorry that I have not posted in a while, but I'm finally back. Hopefully I will be able to post a lot more videos. And yeah, let's get into the video. So first off, we're going to start off with our member daily spin. I haven't done this in a while because I haven't played AJ in a while. So I got one diamond. Wonderful. Perfect. What is this? Oh, I got a pet vulture. Your pet vulture is hatched. Oh my god. I'm gonna name it. That vulture is ugly. What is even up with my vulture? Let's do um orange skunk. There. Orange skunk. That's my vulture's name. Orange skunk, personality zany, favorite toy lasso, favorite food stew. Oh, that is one weird pet that I got. But anyways, I got some Jags. Let's see what they are. Oh, my friend Bluebell gave me a gift. I'm waiting for this to load, but it's not loading. Do 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 do. Oh, I got a Phantom shirt. That's cool. Alright, card from AGHQ. And William Customs. Oh my god, that's wonderful. Alright, let's see what this Phantom shirt looks on me. Ow, my foot. And I'm sorry if this video was like. This is gonna be like a long video. And what? Alright, that's my fault. But my computer is very laggy. So I just wanted to make that clear. My video is extremely laggy. Alright, now, this is gonna be my main outfit from now on because I love this outfit. Alright, now let's go to Dumont Township. And we can look for the rare item Monday. Hopefully it is in Janet clothing. And so, yeah. Alright, guys. So I finally went to Dumont Township. It took me forever to get to Dumont Township because my computer is very slow. And yeah, so let's get into. No, please. Okay, well, it won't let me go in, so I'm just gonna have to do it the other way. Right, shop. Hopefully, it's in here and not in Coral Canyons, because then it would take me forever to go from here to Coral Canyons because it won't load. It will take forever to load. Just like it's taking forever to load now. And why am I not in the shop? Do 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 do. Alright, so we finally made it into the store. Now let's look for the Red Monday. Alright, 3 days left. What is this? Summer Mohawk. Oh, okay, cool. Let's keep looking. 2 days left. Summer dress. Alright. I cannot find this anywhere. The Red Monday is nowhere to be found in the store. No. Found it. Found it. Rare box head? What? Oh, wait, I want to see what this looks like. Oh, that's what it looks like. Alright, well, that's wonderful. Oh, oh my. I can't even afford it. I'm like. I'm 69 coins off. Or gems off. But, yeah, I'm still here. Alright, guys. That is it for today, for this video. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!